Today in crypto. Dan Larimer is resigning from his post as the chief technology officer of the development company Block.one. Block.one made history when it raised $4 billion worth of cryptocurrency for the initial offering of EOS, a blockchain that was built to compete with Ethereum and other smart contract networks. Block.one's main project is EOS. Prior to Block.one and EOS, Larimer was involved in blockchain-based social media publishing service Steam and BitShares. He made the announcement in a short post published to Voice, a social media initiative founded by Block.one, the EOS pioneer on the matter. While the EOS co-founder is resigning from his post at Block.one, his intent is to continue to work on decentralized technology. Larimer did not mention if he will stop working on EOS as a whole. Many in the crypto space speculate that he will focus his efforts on decentralized finance next, which would be in line with his ambitions to cultivate censorship-resistant technology. EOS price dropped in response to this news, seeing that Larimer is a well-known figure and was sometimes seen as the face of the project. EOS is currently the worst-performing crypto asset in the top 100 by market capitalization. According to CoinGecko, the cryptocurrency is down 15% in the past 24 hours, underperforming Bitcoin's 5% drop and Ethereum's 1.5% drop. Over the past 7 days, the cryptocurrency has gained 18% against the US dollar. Even with their newfound fortune, the lucky student said they will avoid expensive luxuries like a new car or house. A student has claimed to have found private keys accidentally hodled starting as early as 2011, which will unlock more than $4 million in Bitcoin. According to a throwaway account from Bitcoin holder Thaku, the Reddit user was able to cash out roughly $4.2 million in Bitcoin BTC, after finding the lost keys to 127 BTC on December 22, when the price of the crypto asset was in the $23,000s. They later liquidated the coins in the middle of the bull run. I spent the next week figuring out how to safely and securely liquidate such a large amount of Bitcoin for the cheapest price possible, said the Redditor. I went back and forth between different over-the-counter principal desks, and ultimately ended up selling all 127 bitcoins for a price of $33,439.02 per coin minus a 0.15% fee. The net was roughly $4.24 million. They claim to have earned Bitcoin in 2011 or 2012 through surveys, watching videos, and completing random tasks to ultimately use the coins for purchasing in-game currency for the online game Dark Orbit. The private keys were reportedly never really missing, just forgotten on an older model Dell computer, as Bitcoin holder Thaku ended up not purchasing the currency. Unfortunately, if the Redditor's account is to be believed, they missed out on $1 million in additional profit by not holding for just a few more weeks. Since December, the price of Bitcoin has passed $41,000 to reach new all-time highs. Bitcoin holder Thaku admitted they would not have sold all 127 Bitcoin if the same situation had played out again. To give myself credit, I did hodl for 8 to 9 years, which is more than the vast majority of crypto users, they said. I definitely would have done things differently if I were given a second chance. Despite their sudden fortune, the Redditor says they will avoid expensive luxuries and intends to put the bulk of the funds into the S&P 500, adding, "Unfortunately, not all stories involving misplaced or forgotten keys have such a happy ending. There may still be more than $285 million in Bitcoin lost somewhere in a UK garbage dump after an IT worker accidentally threw out his personal laptop with his keys in 2013. Altcoins' recent gains have come under pressure as Bitcoin BTC price dropped to retest lower support levels after reaching a new all-time high at $41,940. Following Bitcoin's January 7 push above $40,000, the top cryptocurrency faced selling pressure that saw the price dip as low as $36,600. As has been the case throughout the current rally, investors quickly purchased the dip and BTC price rallied to a new all-time high at $41,940 on Jan. 8. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. The launch of Badger DAO's DIG, a synthetic rebasing asset meant to track the price of Bitcoin, is one of the most eagerly anticipated product releases in recent DeFi memory, but the person most excited to see Dig hit the market might not be a trader, but instead Badger DAO founder Chris Spadafora himself, according to community-minded Spadafora, who would be quick to note that he doesn't care for the founder label despite its technical truth. Anticipation for the launch has led to more than one badgering inquiry directed at him on Twitter. Keeping a proper peg. High supply, long-term security. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Brace for impact. After hitting $42,000, Bitcoin price volatility may rise. Another week, another spate of all-time highs. Bitcoin managed to crack $42,000 on Friday, surging by 9% in just 3 hours. A sharp correction soon followed, with prices tumbling by 7% in the following 8 hours. This may seem rather tame in percentage terms, but that's a drop of almost $3,000. ETH en route to overtake its 2018 all-time high. XRP price soars 55% to crucial level. Despite legal problems at Ripple persisting, can Coinbase keep up with the crypto rally? Morgan Stanley, NYSE, MS, now holds 10% stake in Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy. Mike Novogratz predicts young people will buy Bitcoin with their stimulus checks. Rapper Hayeki confirms YouTube channel hack. Fake crypto giveaway steals $70,000. Bitcoiner loses almost $100,000 of BTC in wallet transfer bungle. Trump bans Chinese payment apps, including Alipay and WeChat Pay. Bitcoin turning 12, from the Genesis block to Wall Street adoption. The rise of crypto. Bitcoin sets landmarks, but alts can go independent. Bullish crypto events of 2020 that will drive historic adoption. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.